Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by opening Settings and navigating straight to Accessibility. This is where the magnifier lives. Once there, scroll to the bottom and tap Accessibility shortcut so you can see which features are assigned to the triple-click Home or Side button. Make sure Magnifier is visible in the list. If it is, you're about to remove it from the shortcut, which prevents the magnifying glass from appearing unexpectedly. This first step sets you up to change the button behavior system-wide. Now you remove Magnifier from the Accessibility shortcut. You'll tap the Magnifier entry to deselect it. Once unchecked, the triple click will no longer summon the magnifying glass. If you have several features selected, refine the list so only desired items remain. This avoids accidental activation. Make sure to test by triple-clicking the Home or Side button. The change takes effect immediately. If you prefer, assign another feature to keep the shortcut useful without Magnifier. To finish, disable any remaining access points. Open the Magnifier app and confirm its settings, then remove it from Control Center by editing Control Center and tapping the minus icon. This prevents both app and Control Center shortcuts from showing the magnifying glass. Once done, restart your iPad to clear any lingering state so changes stick. If the magnifier still appears, make sure no accessibility profiles or third-party utilities re-enable it. Restarting usually resolves persistent behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.